Hello students, in these slides I want to discuss about the numerical based on the mirror formula or mirror equation. So very first example I will take here. The 2 centimeter high object is situated 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 10 centimeter. Using first mirror formula and by second ray diagram determine the location and second one height and nature of the image. Okay, first we will write the given data. Height of the object given, which is plus 2 centimeter because it is kept above the principal axis, and which is situated at a distance of 15 centimeter, then object distance I will going to take it as minus because the incident light direction and measurement directions are opposite. And radius of curvature magnitude is given as 10 centimeter, and for the focal length it is half of a radius of curvature, but for the concave mirror it is negative. So focal length should be taken as negative. So what to be found here? So image distance, second one height of the image. Formula to be used, first one 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, and the focal length magnitude is equal to magnitude of r divided by 2. Second one height of the image by height of the object, that is the magnification, that is equal to minus v by u. So first focal length of the mirror, the magnitude of a focal length is magnitude of a radius of curvature divided by 2, that value will become 5 centimeter, but while using in the formula it must be taken as negative. So we are using the mirror formula and substitution. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, where u value is minus 15 plus 1 by v we need to determine is equal to 1 by f and negative value for the focal length, that's why it is minus 5. By calculating the final result we are getting for the v as minus 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter, and it is negative means it must be in front of the mirror. In a second one, the height of the image by object height, that is 2 centimeter, is equal to minus v by u, where v is minus 7.5 divided by u is minus 15. So by this height of the image comes as a minus 1 centimeter. This implies diminished image, and because of negative sign it is inverted image, and height of the image is 1 centimeter, which is less in comparison with object size, that's why it is diminished. So next example I will take here. A 2 centimeter high object is situated 12 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter. Determine the first one location, second one height and nature of the image. Solution. So first we will write the given data. Object height is given 2 centimeter, that is kept above the principal axis. Therefore it is written as plus 2 centimeter. And object is situated at distance of 12 centimeter, which is taken as minus 12 centimeter, and radius of curvature magnitude is 40 centimeter, and focal length will become negative for the concave mirror to be found. So image distance we need to find, and second one the height of the image, and we need to say what is the nature of image. So formula to be used is first one 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, and magnitude of focal length is equal to magnitude of radius of curvature divided by 2. Second one, height of the image by height of the object, that is a magnification, which is written as minus v by u. So first, focal length of the mirror. The magnitude of focal length is equal to magnitude of the radius of curvature divided by 2. Answer comes as 20 centimeter, and while using in the formula it must be taken as negative. We are using the formula, mirror formula, 1 by object distance plus 1 by image distance is equal to 1 by focal length, where object distance is minus 12 plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by object distance is minus 20 centimeter. So by solving this we are getting v as plus 18 centimeter, plus indicates the image is formed behind the mirror, okay, and it is at 18 centimeter. The next one is magnification. Height of the image by height of the object is 2 is equal to minus plus 18 divided by minus 12, that is object distance. By solving this, height of the image comes as plus 3 centimeter. This implies very enlarged image, erect image of the height 3 centimeter is coming. So plus indicates it is a erect image, and 3 is more than the object size 2. That's why it should be enlarged. Next example, a convex mirror of a focal length of 40 centimeter. A 12 centimeter tall object is located 40 centimeter in front of the mirror. Locate the image and find its size and nature. This is a convex mirror, and object height of plus 12 centimeter is kept, and which is at a distance of 40 centimeter. It should be taken as minus 40, and focal length is plus 40 centimeter for the convex mirror. To be found here, the image distance and height of the image. Based on this one, you can tell the nature of the image formed. Formula to be used: mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, and magnification formula m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. Substituting and getting the values. In the mirror formula, 1 by object distance is minus 40 plus 1 by image distance is v, that is equal to 1 by focal length is plus 40 centimeter. By substituting these and getting the value of v as plus 20 centimeter. This implies plus 20 indicates that when the image is formed behind the mirror, and the plus 20 indicates it is the virtual image. So h dash by h, that is 12, is equal to minus of plus 20 divided by minus 40. That should be equal to height of the image is 6 centimeter, which is less in comparison with object. That's why it is a diminished image, and because of plus sign it is a virtual erect. So diminished erect image of height 6 centimeter is formed. The next example I will take, the image produced by a concave mirror is located 26 centimeter in front of the mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 12 centimeter. How far in front of the mirror is the object located? So solution, we are taking a concave mirror, and image is produced at 26 centimeter, which is taken as minus 26 centimeter, and focal length is given as 12 centimeter for this, and object distance we need to determine. So from the mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Substituting and getting the value, 1 by u is we need to determine, plus 1 by v is given as minus 26 is equal to 1 by focal length, that is minus 12. By substituting u, we are getting as a minus 22.3 centimeter. So 22.3 centimeter is in front of the mirror because of a negative sign.